Car Catalogue International was an English-language version of Italian-originated annual motoring publication Auto Catalogo Internazionale produced from 1975 to 1996, originally published by Edizioni A.I.D. S.p.A. of Milan, Italy. It documented an example of each model of cars available during that year from most of the major motor manufacturers of the time. Cars were listed in ascending order sorted by marque. Images used were usually press photos from the manufacturers themselves or their importers. The publisher changed to Sonnen Verlag S.A. of Switzerland from 1981. It was available across Europe under a variety of different names: Italy, Auto Catalogo 1975-1978, Auto Catalogo Internazionale 1979-1996. UK, Car Catalogue International 1979-1996. France, Catalogue Mondial de l'Automobile. Holland, Auto Magazine International. Each page listed 2 or 3 cars in color, with press photos from the manufacturer alongside technical specifications and the listed price for the car. Content was the same for each language edition and included vehicles which were not necessarily available in the country the publication was sold. In those instances, the price was listed as not stated.